A very fresh morning to all of you. Now, in this class, we will solve exercise 4.1. Previously, we have learned how to check whether the following is a quadratic equation or not, and we have also learned how to find them and how to form a quadratic equation. So, on the basis of that, we will solve exercise 4.1 today. So let's start with question number 1 of exercise 4.1. In this question it is given, check whether the following are quadratic equations. So I told you how to check whether the following equations are quadratic equation. First, let us see question number 1. Here in this it is given x plus 1 square is equals to 2x minus 3. So what we have to do, we will arrange this. How we will arrange? Let us break it. So here we will break x plus 1 square. So x plus 1 square can be written as what? 2x square plus 2x plus 1. A square plus 2ab plus b square, and it becomes 2x minus 2 3 ja 6. So this is 2x minus 6. So how we can write this one? X square, that will be as it is, 2x minus 2x, that will get cancel, and here that 1 and this 6 will come to this side, plus 6, so that becomes 7. So x square plus 7 is equals to 0. So it is of the form what? Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This at the place of bx, what we can write? 0 into x. Is that okay? So we can say that the given equation is a quadratic equation. Let us see the second one. Our second question is what? X square minus 2x is equals to minus 2 and under bracket 3 minus x. So just see the second one. Let us arrange it here. How we will write? X square minus 2x, that will be as it is, minus 2 into 3 minus 6 minus minus plus and 2x. Let us arrange it. So when we will arrange it, what we are getting? X square. Is that okay? X square, same, minus 2x and minus 2x, that will becomes minus 4x, and what is left here? 6. So 6 will come to this side, this becomes plus 6. So this is also in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So we can say that this is also a quadratic equation. Is that okay? When you are getting the form, जैसे ही आप लोगों को ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी के फॉर्म में मिल जाता है, तो उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. और इक्वेशन का मतलब क्या? ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी इज इक्वल्स टू 0. तो इस टाइप का इक्वेशन को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. बाकी जो है 3 4 5 6 वो आप लोग अपने से लिखिएगा. अब चलिए हम लोग देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. जैसा कि हम लोग प्रीवियस क्लास में देखे थे, सो इन दैट वी हैव टू फॉर्म अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. इसमें क्या करना है? हम लोगों को क्वेश्चन पढ़ के खुद से क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन का फॉर्म में बनाना है. सो लेट अस सी. द एरिया ऑफ ए रेक्टेंगुलर प्लॉट इज 528 मीटर स्क्वायर. ठीक है. द लेंथ ऑफ द प्लॉट इज 1 more than twice its breadth. वी नीड टू फाइंड द लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ ऑफ द प्लॉट. क्या इसमें हम लोग को फाइंड करना है? लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ ऑफ द plot. So let us see here, let us assume breadth of the plot be x meter. So length will be how much? 2x plus 1, because twice its breadth. So area of the rectangle, we know that length into breadth. So area is given how much? 528 meter square. So it becomes 528 is equals to x and 2x plus 1. So let us arrange it. It becomes 2x square plus x is equals to what? 528. So let us arrange it. 2x square, is that okay, plus x, and this 528 will go to that side. That becomes how much? Minus 528 is equals to 0. This is the form of the quadratic equation. Is that okay? Similarly, you see, second one, you try yourself. Our second question is, the product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. The product of two consecutive integer, we need to find the integer. So consecutive means what? You tell. Consecutive means what? X and x plus 1. So let the consecutive integers be x and x plus 1. So product x and x plus 1 is equals to 306, and accordingly you arrange that. Similarly, third one also you try. Fourth one, let me solve. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. इसमें हम लोग को क्या फाइंड करना है? स्पीड ऑफ द ट्रेन. लेट अस सी. इसमें भी आप एज्यूम कीजिए. लेट द स्पीड ऑफ द ट्रेन बी हाउ मच? x किलोमीटर पर hour. Okay, so time, distance by what? Speed is equals to distance by time. So time will be what? Distance by speed. And in the second condition, let the speed of the train x minus 8 kilometer per hour. So in that case also time will be what? It is also given that the train will take 3 hours to cover the same distance. So distance will be 480 by x plus 3. Therefore time इतना हो गया हम लोगों का. टाइम कितना हो गया? टाइम टेकन टू ट्रैवल 480 किलोमीटर, 480 बाय एक्स प्लस 3 आवर्स. एंड वी नो दैट स्पीड डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? स्पीड इनटू टाइम. सो हियर वी हैव रिटन स्पीड इज इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? Here speed into time is equals to distance, or you can write distance is equals to speed into time. So 480 is equals to x minus 8, this one, and 480 by x plus 3. Please arrange it. So you can arrange it by any means. Here 480, then you do the multiplication. 480 by 480, this x get cancelled. So please you solve by yourself. If you want, I can solve also, and there are many methods to solve the multiplication. First you multiply this, so this get cancelled, so this becomes what? 480. Again this becomes how much? 3x. Again this you do x, and again you can solve in that way, and finally you get what? X square minus 8x plus 1280 is equals to 0. This is our quadratic form of equation. This is x square. Is that okay? So in that way we will solve all the problems. See, this you solve by yourself only. This calculation part is your part only. Okay, because see, this calculation part you can do by your own way. Everybody is having their different way, so in that way you have to write. So this much for this class, and in the next class we will solve the solution of quadratic equation by factorization. So this much for this class. Have a good day.